One of my favorite technologies, we were talking about tech earlier on, is Gradle for build systems in the Java space.
Yeah,
and one of the things that I always loved about Gradle is that if you don't care, if you just are willing to buy into its model, you can write your build script in one line. You can just say, I'm doing Java, and it will do it for you.
Yeah.
It will compile a jar file, it will run the tests, it will do all of those things for you, But if you want to override almost any behavior, you can do that too. It's a whole programming language built on top of this well-designed domain model for builds is what Gradle really is. I like opinionated software. I like opinionated software that says, do it like this. And if you don't like it like that, it gets out of your way really quickly. I'd like to see more tools like that because I think there's a tragedy of the commons kind of thing goes on a little bit, is if everybody has a choice, everybody's rediscovering everything from scratch. And I think we ought to be able to build a little bit more things. And that the cloud is one of those things that is doing that in some contexts. It's not doing it enough to my taste for build systems. So I am currently in the middle for a piece of work that I'm working on to demonstrate how to build deployment pipelines, building a little sample application using GitHub Actions. It's all right. It's nice. I quite like GitHub Actions. It's okay. But it's too fiddly. You know, I'm fighting with trying to get my Docker images to communicate with each other so I can run my acceptance tests and these sort of things. I'd like something that just worked. I'm not really interested in that part. I'd like something that just works if I want to do something simple.